welcome to Active Art. Today I'm super stoked to be continuing some of the black and white series. It's something I've been thinking about for a while and just getting to doing. This is one of the mixing cups that I used earlier in the day. Since it's already got a little bit of black in it, I figure why let a good cup go to waste. I cut off the top because I know I don't need a full big old glass of paint on a 6x6 gesso board. So I cut off the top and we'll fill this one up. And we're going to do a dirty pour with it. I've already done a floating cup, and then we'll do also a flip cup in the series, and I think I also have a swipe going on, and we'll see what other kind of black and white magic we make. Now I'm using different thicknesses of the black and white, just as part of always trying something a little different. And part of it is I think that the different thicknesses in the paint give you a little bit different effects. So that is what we're going with. Alright, I want to start some of it out in the middle like a ring. Come over here and we'll just do some pours through it. Ended up with a lot of black. Where's all the white at? Okay. Make sure we got the corners covered here. This corner. Here we go. Check out that edge. Alright. So there's where part of the ring was, and there's part of the regular ribbon. Get back to center a little bit. Alright. Now I'm going to fire it up. I think it's going to bring out some more white. We'll see. Let's see here. Grab my trusty little torch. Yeah. I'm just going to bring it out in here. I'm not going to hit this other side where the ring was at. Just focus right in the middle there. I have a feeling there's going to be more little white spots like that show up as it settles and dries. We'll see what she does. After she dries a little bit, I'll take a shot, add it to the video. We'll go from there. Thanks for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to see the rest of the black and white series. I'm going to put them in a separate playlist. That way it's easy to get to them. Have a great day.